Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please watch the full video, hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get started. Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like the video and subscribe to my channel. Open the app, select the import button, select a picture of man, remove the background, select the erase color, enable button down, adjust the picture, and then select the import button. Go to the gallery, select another picture of house, remove the background, select the erase color, enable button down, adjust the picture, save the picture man and house, adjust the picture, change the background, select the color option, adjust the color, select the import button, go to the gallery, select another picture, adjust the picture, remove the background, select the erase color, enable button down, adjust the picture, select the copy option, copy the picture. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.